In this video, we'll showcase 10 plus professional website designers offering affordable and modern web design services. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Sal, a full-stack developer who builds fast custom websites and mobile apps that are clean, responsive, and easy to use. I work with modern tools like React, Tailwind CSS, TypeScript, MongoDB, Node.js, and Python to bring all kinds of ideas to life. From simple websites and dashboards to booking systems, chat features, and full-scale web or mobile applications. My goal is to craft streamlined code and user-centric designs that adapt as your project evolves from launch to scale. I believe in clear communication, quick turnarounds, and building things that just work. I'll keep you in the loop at every step so your ideas can turn into results without delays or confusion.
Hi there, I'm Ismail, a full-stack website developer with over 6 years of experience in building a scalable website, web application, CRM, and SaaS projects. I build websites with vision to fulfill the client's goal, and I always make sure that my clients are happy with the design, front-end, and back-end. I build websites using custom technologies like React.js and Next.js for the front end, and Node.js, Express.js, PHP Laravel for the backend development to ensure your website never gets slow and it's always fast. If you're hiring me, you're not hiring just one person, you're hiring an expert development team who will help you to grow your business from zero to high level. The reason clients are choosing me is because I do teamwork, I provide long-term support, and I stay online 24 hours to make sure to answer every of your query. Just give me a message and we'll take it from there.
My name is Ansai. I'm a professional freelancer, Fiverr top reseller, working on Fiverr since 2015. I have designed more than 1,000 websites on Fiverr for my client to help different startups and small businesses. I can design your mobile responsive website with easy to use admin panel, social media integrations, and mobile responsiveness, and most importantly, you will get SEO friendly pages on your website. And also you will get unlimited revisions with any of my package on Fiverr. I can also provide you free maintenance after the delivery of order, or I can be your maintenance guy for long term. I have experienced teams sitting beside me to handle my workload and always deliver the project on time. I can also help you with domain and hosting, finding a good licensed images, and also I will provide you free video tutorials after the delivery of order. With the help of video tutorials, you can easily manage your website and you can edit anything on your website. Don't wait, start your order right now only on Fiverr.com.
Hello, are you excited to build a highly converting Shopify dropshipping store? Then you are at the right place. Our certified expert team will build you a successful dropshipping store, which will generate you a passive income in no time. Our clients are easily generating $100 to $1,000 per day after a month or two. So what will you get? High quality theme, SEO optimization, winning products, complete payment and shipping setup, logo, and all the graphics work. We will make it easy for you to fulfill your business dream. This is your chance to start your own online business.
Hi, I am Fayaz. I'm a WordPress developer for more than 8 years, and I have designed hundreds of websites here on Fiverr with 5-star rating. Don't forget to check my portfolio. With this gig, you can expect a fully functional website. The design is clean, modern, and responsive for all of the devices. I will make sure that the content is uploaded right, the custom images are designed and managed properly. I will make sure that the links are working properly and the sections, header, footer, and rest of the pages, products, categories are managed appropriately. I will make sure that the site is SEO optimized. With my service, you also get a training video so that you can easily manage the website later. I can be also your maintenance guy for a long term if you need. You get unlimited revisions on all of my packages and also 30 days free support. Let me make a website for you that stands out.
Hey guys, you know what? Making money isn't challenging if you think you should earn money even when you sleep or drive the car. And yes, I do mean globally. Oh yeah, there are passive income proven ways. Shopify stores and the dropshipping market are one of the best recommended ways. Customers are making a huge amount of revenue just from the dropshipping business. Being Texas, USA based, the service is great and gives you A to Z, a well-designed store for your products. If you're worried about the products and suppliers, don't. You're at the right place. Here are some examples showing passive income for my customers. Some of those 6 to 7 figure Shopify stores just by Shopify dropshipping. Some customers have earned up to $30,000 in a month with almost no experience. Plus, it's absolutely as passive income. Shopify is a game changer, not a Mega Millions lottery, and you gotta play smart with all the rules. Gig Service makes sure to help you throughout the journey with free post-project support. Check out the service with multiple packages. Contact now for free tips and consultations and order now to make passive income.
Hey there. Are you looking for an expert Shopify store developer who can design your Shopify store with a premium look and feel with top trendy, hot-selling winning products? Well, you've just landed in the right place. I'm Yanchi, an official Shopify partner and store developer with over 5 years of experience. I specialize in creating premium, conversion-focused Shopify stores with industry-proven top-selling products. With a portfolio of over 1,000 plus successful stores, including collaborations with major brands like McDonald's and RE Max, I can design a store that not only looks premium, but also drives conversions, turning visitors into loyal customers. Check out my gig packages for detailed offerings or message me for a quick explanation. I provide fully automated, ready-to-market stores with a focus on high quality and timely delivery. Beginner-friendly setup, no expertise required. Guaranteed 100% client satisfaction.
Hey there, I am Sahil. I specialize in affiliate marketing and website development. Over the past 8 years, I have been helping people like you achieve their goals in their affiliate marketing journey with high-quality affiliate website to generate steady passive income. Through my services, you will get a fully automated Amazon affiliate website that also includes ClickBank product. Amazon and ClickBank are top leading affiliate marketing platform paying millions of dollars in commission every year. By combining product from Amazon and ClickBank, your automated website will provide a wide range of high quality items which drive quick traffic and increase sales. And the best part, you do not have to handle anything. Amazon and ClickBank will handle everything for you from shipping the product to providing a customer support. Plus, they give you an affiliate commission on each sale. This entire process is fully automated. Also on your website, I will include SEO optimized autoblog and provides you lifetime support to ensure your success. My tried and tested strategies and dedication have made all my clients happy with outstanding results. If you want to know more about how Amazon and ClickBank affiliate website works, feel free to message me. I will personally explain everything in detail. Or if you're ready to take your first step towards your affiliate marketing journey, place an order for my services today. Thank you.
Worried about outdated tech or security issue? Don't worry, I am here to help. I am Shinor, a full stack developer skilled in React.js, Next.js and Node.js with Express.js, MongoDB, PHP, Laravel and DevOps. I build fast modern websites that look great and work perfectly. I use React, Next.js and Node.js with Express for dynamic, responsive site and PHP and Laravel and MongoDB for secure and reliable backend. Plus, I design smooth user experience with Figma and handle DevOps to ensure smooth development and maintenance. Let's work together, create a unique website that fits your needs.
You know that frustrating feeling when a website crashes, lags, or just doesn't work. That's bad development. I make sure that never happens to you. I am Waliuddin, a senior full stack developer. I don't just write code. I build powerful, high-performing web applications that drive results. Clean, maintainable code, fast delivery, unlimited revisions, and a developer who actually cares your success. Send me a message and let's create something extraordinary.
Hey guys, are you excited to build a high-converting Shopify dropshipping store with top-selling products? Are you looking for passive income with almost no effort? Do you want to fulfill your dream and leave a boring 9-to-5 daily routine job? If your answer is yes, Well, you've arrived at the right place. I've built multiple profitable Shopify stores for my customers, and I'll be happy to grow your Shopify store. I'm an experienced Shopify expert and go-to person for beginner-friendly entrepreneurs. In this gig, I offer multiple packages. Please check them out. And yes, you'll get 24/7 free lifetime support. Contact us now for pro Shopify marketing tips and strategies. Order now and get premium marketing guides for free.
Are you struggling to convert your visitors into paying customers? I have got the solution. I am Mujtaba, a certified sales funnel expert. I specialize in designing high-converting sales funnels that help businesses like yours to generate leads, drive sales, and scale effortlessly. Using tools like Go High Level, ClickFunnels, and System.io, I create funnels that are not only visually appealing, but also strategically optimized to increase conversion. My goal is simple: to help you attract your ideal customers and grow your revenue. Let me handle the strategy, design, and tech, so you can focus on running your business. Together, we will create a funnel that converts clicks into customers. Don't wait. Message now and let's build your sales funnel today.
Hey guys, my name is Dylan. I'm here to help you successfully launch your Shopify dropshipping store and create the passive income you've always dreamed of. With over 5 years experience in dropshipping, I know the blueprint that allows my clients to have the peace of mind that their store is set up for success. Working closely with me, I will build you a professionally designed store optimized to convert with industry-backed winning products and something you can be proud of. I pride myself on customer satisfaction, and because of this, I only work with limited stores I believe can achieve success. It's my job to make sure that your store is tailored to your business needs and has the ability to win over the trust of your customers to turn into profit in your pocket. Contact us today for a free consultation.
If today you are looking for an expert to create your website, making it exceptional, ultra fast, and secure, look no further. My name is Valentin. I specialize in creating unique and tailor-made websites. I offer 3 packages suited for various budgets and requirements to closely best match your business needs. Browse through them and select the one that suits the best. In terms of the website content, whether it's in terms of text or images, either you provide me with the content, or I can also take care of writing this text. Regarding the images, I work with different image banks. You will of course have the license of those images on the site is delivered. I also work with the best plugins of the market to ensure your site has lightning fast speed, optimal search engine ranking, and impeccable security. On the site is delivered. Also enjoy, only if you wish, mini video training. They're easy to follow and will teach you how to edit your website, send newsletters, and much more. So don't wait any longer, order your new website right now.
Hello, my name is Sujan Mia. I am a certified website developer with extensive experience in Shopify design and development. I can assist you in building a Shopify store from scratch or rebuilding your existing store to enhance its performance. I specialize in building an e-commerce, dropshipping, or one-product Shopify store that is uniquely built to meet your needs. Let's discuss your project and create something extraordinary together.
So, if you're looking for a website designer, I hope this helped you choose. To get your site designed, check the link in the description.